Hello everyone and welcome to the extra wide Urby Plus size shower chair designed for safe bathing. This spacious seat provides 15% more space than standard chairs for maximum comfort and safety. The unique U-shape cutout design allows for easy private washing for the elderly and those with disabilities. It features a durable aluminum frame with removable armrests and a fully adjustable height for any user. This sturdy chair supports up to 150 kilograms and works perfectly for pregnant women too. This pre-assembled chair allows for easy setup in 3 minutes using the included tools and clear instructions. Experience a safer and more relaxing shower with this versatile and highly supportive medical-grade bath chair. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.